Hi, Belinda. How are you? You
I'm
get
good.
started, okay?
Okay.
Wait, give me a second. I need to switch the audio. Okay, there we go. Hi, Mr. Cho.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm okay. Okay. So let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn.
All right. I think we want to. All right, it was. Here we go. I think it was what? Um, mm,
Hey, don't do that. Why are you watching other place solution?
What?
Your window show up, you're watching the code from other side.
Not though.
I saw it.
Okay.
If you don't want to practice, you get out. I don't need you to come here to cheat.
Okay.
You are done with Python, get out.
是用 Python.
Yeah, you're done with Python.
Yes.
You are not doing coding, you are watching the solution from other side.
What solution? I don't have anything open right now.
It showed me already.
Yeah, sure. Just
It
put
pop up
on
in the
this.
window.
Okay.
You're kidding yourself.
No.
If you want to practice, you practice, okay? If you don't want, just get out.
That's right.
We're gonna go over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, already. Just show me. I would say place the pen on the screen though. You're not.
Simply when you pass both doors, take advantage of the fact that both already was sorting report. Oh, okay. Internet outsides would be
Well, your I need to plus equals the inner dot size. Or this for.
Oh wait, okay, no, yeah, no, that's supposed to go here. Plus none. So this would be outer. Hmm. 18. Sorry about that. Yeah, no, it's just fine. It's both ways. So that doesn't help. I think I'll do this in Java. Not substrings. I guess in this case.
This is not Java language. This is also not Java language.
No.
You complete forget Java, okay? Don't do Java. You just go back to work on your focus on your C double plus. Don't
Yeah,
waste
but I
our
forgot
time,
which
okay?
site.
Hmm?
I forgot which site. You said solo learn and what other site? I forgot.
It's W3 source.
Source or schools?
W3 source.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. I need to work on other student. Liana, your turn. Benjamin, you completely forget Java already. You need to review the language. You know, that's point so far, okay? Just keep building until you complete the 3 by 3.
Okay.
No matter which way, take your don't just take your time, okay? No, don't rush yourself. Try to complete it, okay? So far so
Okay.
good. So far so good. I'll come back, okay? You may take longer time. I don't want to give you too much pressure. Next one, Belinda, your turn. You want to have 7, 7, and 7 something 7, right? Or
Yeah.
so this one you should not do -2 here. Okay, before we change your code. This one you need to check 7, 7, and you may need to check 7, 1, 7 or 7 something 7. So should you use a window of 2 or window of 3?
2.
2. So 2 here should be -1.
Mm.
Just put -1.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. put -1. So here you have the 7, 7. The 7, 7 is checked already, right?
Yeah.
Now, the other case, this one you actually need to check 7 something 7. So the else is not needed because 7, 7 and 7 something 7 will not happen at the same time. Now, there's a problem. Your 7, 7, 7 something 7 need a window of 2 or window of 3.
3.
So here you need to have a qualifier I less than num star length
Oh,
minus
okay.
2. So put the I less than num star length minus 2. And yes, go. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Follow the right procedure. And this one, Benjamin, your turn. Why is that? Why is that?
I can't remember how to save it into a variable.
Available, no matter C double plus or something, it's just num1. And then you want to C into num1, right?
Yeah, but
It
what
never
about the
happened.
text?
It
What
never
about the
happened
placeholder?
that they put them together. What do you mean?
So do I do like num1 and then like where am I supposed to put the placeholder text?
So what are these? I'm not sure what it is.
What
Do
this?
one thing at a time.
You see it.
So you want
Oh,
to declare available, you
okay,
declare available.
okay.
You want to
So,
enter available. Do not put them in one line.
okay. What this was like Python, I forgot.
Oh, so I think that's why. Down to go this one over there.
Where is your num1 being declared?
She's like that is right that it's to do. Really it's like see. Hey, there's something work on. Don't make each other.
What? Oh. Okay, well, that doesn't work.
That
Why
doesn't
can I
work
not
because
scroll
you
down?
cannot put a num1 plus num2 here. You
So I
cannot
don't
put that
think.
there.
Oh. Wait, so I need to some this. And I also need to put 12. Is that work? I can't scroll down.
Yeah,
No,
did you get it?
I don't know. I can't scroll down on this. Stupid. God.
Go back, go back, go back.
Go back.
to the go back to the previous one. Should this be giving you the full screen mode or no?
It's just open a new window, which is this.
Okay. Then wrong it.
Open.
That is a bigger window.
Well, okay, I just messed up the spacing.
Yeah, so that's the full screen mode, right?
Yeah.
You should keep writing it as full screen mode.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. And then I'll try like 25 and uh, yeah.
But other than that is that when you practice, don't look at the solution, okay? You need to
Okay.
struggle. Struggle is good. Because struggle, you will actually try to learn something. Okay? You can only look at the solution only if you struggle for 3 days, 4 days, you still cannot solve the problem. Then you try to find source to look at the code. Otherwise, usually do not read other people's code because your goal is that you want to learn the
that's
language.
fine.
You want to do coding, right?
Yeah.
So don't look at other people's code before you solve the problem. Only when you actually have no way to solve it and you need to read other people's code. It's okay. After struggle for a while, you can do that. But after that, you still need to erase it and then redo it by yourself until you fully remember them. Okay. Okay. Next one, Liana, your turn. Liana, this is a free response. You can type in whatever you want. Okay. Usually, if you are in a high school, they will check your answer, but we are not high school. We don't check this type of free response. So Liana, in computer science, how to use measure efficiency?
Um,
How could you say this program is efficient or not efficient?
like,
Try,
um,
try. Okay, try say something.
like if you're writing lines of code, don't like um waste it and write
Yeah,
lines.
but how to measure? How to
Like,
measure? How to quantitatively measure? When you do any research, no matter it's biology or computer science or math or physics, you will do in two kind of study. One is quantitative, one is qualitative, right? So quantitatively, you measure things like, okay, this task spend me 3 days to finish, or the other task that take me 1 week to finish it. So basically, when we measure the efficiency in computer science, we talk about how many seconds the program need to finish. So time is one way we measure it. Is that okay?
yeah.
One way we measure it is time. Second way we measure it is how many steps, n steps you need. So for example, like we say college application, you need to spend 12 steps to apply to college. Then you use the 12 as a measurement for how complicated the job is. So you can use a number of steps or using time to measure your complexity. So that is most the way that you say computer science is more specific. That's because we measure by time or by number of steps. Okay. In the real world, you measure the efficiency sometimes is actually more qualitatively, saying that, oh, okay, this high-speed rail is very efficient compared to uh, traditional Amtrak, right? So there is a comparison. There is an efficiency of the notion that the people think that maybe if you can finish things in shorter time, that's efficiency. So they are quantitative way of defining the term and qualitative way of defining the term. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you finish the sentence and then submit, okay? I'll come back later. Next one, let me have Belinda, your turn. No. This one we do. That's actually go back to the fundamental. Don't delete it. Don't delete it. Don't delete it. We just discuss. So what do they want you to have?
Uh, wants three to appear 3 times without them being next to each other.
So if you exactly 3 times. So do you know everything before you finish the loop, or you can only know it after the loop? So you will only know it after the loop, right?
Yeah.
So why are you checking this counter increase in these different situations? You just want to count how many three, right?
Yeah.
So there is no need to do this so many if. So let's see. Number one, keep it a very simple define of the problem. Don't care about the next to each other problem. Okay, that's deleted. Don't care about the next to each other problem. So you go to everyone and then you check if the number is 3, your counter increase. Okay, now this part take care of the this part take care of the ejected street. Now next one is that there should not be a street next to each other.
Mr. Cho, what does the apostrophes, the single quotes?
What?
Is it a semicolon?
A semicolon, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I sometimes have a typo. So now next one is that how do you check that there's no street next to each other?
Mm,
Don't write call yet. Answer me. How do you check that?
I plus 1 and I minus 1.
Why do you need the I minus one?
If
You
if the
go,
index
you
is
go,
not a 0.
you go by window of two. You go by window of two, you check I and I plus one. If they are three, then you actually return false.
Yeah, okay.
Well, why do you need to check the previous one? The previous one, they already checked it here already.
Yeah,
So you just check I and I plus one.
okay.
It's just one test.
So then the length needs to be minus 1.
No, don't go back to check that. You need to
Right.
check counting the whole thing to have a three for 3 times. So don't check that. Now, what you need to
Oh, it's a new loop.
no, you need to do it here. It's I less than num star length minus 1. This is another window, a window of 2 here. This one just saying that you check every single number one by one. If you do have a 3, you increase the counter. So counter equals 3, that's it. This part already be handled.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Next one, you need to check if there is a 3 next to 3. So you need to check with window of 2. And then if there is a 3, then you will return false right away.
Okay.
Because no next to each other, you have something next to each other. So this one would return false. But this one need a window of 2. Window of 2 is put in over here. Don't go back to multiply here, because if you go back to multiply here, this number, if it is 3, will not be counted,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So do it step by step. You don't try to accomplish everything at the same time. Try doing this part first, and then work on this one later. So I give you the answer already. Let's check. You back up, redo, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next one, Benjamin, your turn. Take your time, Belinda, take your time. Don't actually jump to some conclusion right away. You need to deeper your thinking, okay?
Just want to clarify, so I can't remember what's the
This one you can check the using browser to check it to see the constant. But remember, I teach you when we do C language is in the limits. There is a maximum integer in the limits, so you need to include you need to include the C limits, because this right now is a C double plus.
right.
You probably don't include it, you will never see it. So before you do that, click a browser,
Yeah,
click a browser,
I already have it on the other tab.
and then work on C limits maximum integer. They'll give you these. Is that okay?
Oh, okay.
It's called int underline max.
Yeah, but I tried that earlier and it didn't work.
You did not include the limit, C limits.
Oh, so I need to include this?
Of course, you need to include that.
Okay. Does that work now? Okay, yeah, now it prints. Okay. So
Because right now you are working on the 205, right?
yeah, this one. Limits of integer data
You
types.
you better speed up your C double plus practice, okay?
Okay.
Because they need the data structure. You kind of behind right now. You have to pick up this faster. Forget about Python, forget about Java. You have to focus on your school first. Okay?
Yeah.
But bottom line is that still don't copy, okay? Don't copy, don't look at other people's code. Then that if you keep doing that, you lose your opportunity to practice. You'll be in big trouble. Try to struggle good. Only when you struggle for a long time, you still cannot solve it. Then you refer to some other people's code. Okay?
Hmm.
You want to build up your own coding capability. You don't want to lose it, okay? That's
Yeah.
why let me have Deanna. You continue, okay? Good job. Deanna, your turn.
Mm. How was it?
Leanna, do you have questions so far?
I think it's fine so far.
So your Python language, your function is define f function and then column, and then you need to align here several code, right? Here JavaScript is function f and then curly brace, curly brace. It doesn't use the identification, indentation. It uses a curly brace, and everything put here is part of the function. Okay?
Okay.
And then function is used to group something together. So maybe you can do like left turn, you do 3 left turn, you become a right turn. That would be a new function that you can define. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, try it, okay? So as you can see, this code.org will teach you coding step by step for JavaScript, but you haven't learned the language yet. So in September, we'll teach you JavaScript language, okay, and HTML. So,
Okay.
but at this moment, you play around this is okay. You should be okay to do this, okay. And then in September, we'll need you to work on the solo learn HTML, solo learn JavaScript as well, okay. That'll be fun, but some effort, okay. You continue, okay.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Belinda. Belinda, your turn. So Belinda, let me ask you, what are they asking for?
Every 2 must have another 2 next to it.
If that, you will return true, right?
Yeah.
If not, you return false. So how to detect it? Don't do coding yet. Tell me how to
Okay.
detect it. How are you going to detect it?
Check if one of the 2's don't have a 2 next to it.
So you are trying to look for any along two,
Yeah.
a two that's a single. So you check if two there's nothing, no two, or two there's nothing here. Two there's nothing here. This is a different situation. Then that's it.
Okay.
Okay. So you check for two that have no left side two and no right side two.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Check the number. No, no. Don't do that yet. Check the number is 2 first.
Okay.
Using curly brace, curly brace. No, don't make it too complicated. Curly brace, curly brace. So here you will find a 2. Now, if you find a 2, what are you going to do next?
Check the index first.
You want to see left side no 2, right side no 2. Right?
Yeah.
How to detect
Yeah.
that?
I need to make sure I is not 0 and it's not the last number.
Yeah, right now the question is that you already detect a number that is 2. The next one is to detect there's no 2 here, no 2 here. But your 2 maybe is right here. Maybe it's right here. So how are you going to put it over here?
I not equal 0 and I not equal none.
Do one thing at a time. Don't try to accomplish everything.
Then I'll just do the 0 first.
No, Let me show you the left side. Left side, I would say I'm sorry. I'm just trying to type something. I'm sorry. I did not request. Okay, let's look at the left side. Left side, let's have a Boolean left equal false. So default there's no 2 on the left side, right?
Yeah.
And then if I not equals 0 and the nonce I minus 1 equals 2, then your left side
True.
is true. Now right side, you call right side for me.
Okay.
Right side, I give you the Boolean left equal false. Now you want to check right side, you need to check Boolean right equal false. I plus 1. I plus 1. Okay, now you know right maybe true, maybe false. So when will you say there's a 1 along 2?
When one of them is false.
Both are false.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. False are false. One of
Yeah.
them is true is okay.
One of them is true, is okay, yes. No. Why are you going out of the for loop? It's still under the if. We are talking about current 2 right here. We never did this one. You check this one and this one. You need to return the situation if it's along 2. So still inside this if. If not left and not right. And not right. Return false. And go out of the for loop, return true. Because you don't have the along 2. Go.
Yeah.
You need to redo it again, okay?
Okay.
Step by step, probably is step by step. Don't jump step. Don't try to, try to put a lot of condition on here. You cannot solve it because you have current I equals 2. You have left side or no left side. You have right side or no right side. That's too much. You cannot use it if to solve it.
Okay.
Is that okay? That's why
Yeah.
we need to put the equals to first. We make sure current 1 is 2. That's it. That's the condition we set up. Whether they have the left side right 2 or right side 2, let's go into the none to I equals 2 before we do it. Okay? So
Okay.
back up this one, we do it, okay?
Yeah.
This one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn. Linda, you still need to have a stronger mind, okay? Right now, I feel you kind of be afraid of the coding. I can feel it. You have to have stronger mind. Believe in yourself. You always tell yourself, I can solve it, okay?
That's why is that 0? Shouldn't that be? Wait a minute. Okay.
Which one is wrong?
What?
Which one is wrong?
This it says it's supposed to be 127, but it's outputting 255. And then the minimum is outputting 0 and it's supposed to be negative 128.
Because the number is unsigned maximum or unsigned minimum.
But there's a, what did I put U char wrong?
So you search internet for the signed maximum
Yeah.
for char.
U char and then char max, char min, U char, and it's giving
Yeah.
this. But that's not the numbers on here. And I don't think char and U char should be the same.
Should not be the same, but I'm not
Did
sure
I?
why you get the same number. Let me check, okay?
Okay. So I'll put, maybe we'll check. Well, it's U char max. What about char? Oh, kidding. It needs to be S char, really? It's the only one that needs it, isn't it? That fixed it. Okay, so it needs to be S char. Oh. Okay. And then
It is okay. You learn something, okay?
yeah, what's short? There we go. Short. Is it? Is it? SH art.
You are learning this language, okay? So far, don't wait until Thursday to work on this. You have to practice at least 2-3 hours a day on this, okay?
Yeah.
You want to get a high GPA in your school, so you have to do it.
Where is HRT underscore in? Then it should just be maximum limit of unsigned short is U short max. No. Yeah, okay. It's like 2 billion negative 42 92 negative 92 1844 8 bits 127 and 28 255. Why did you switch this? Alright, whatever. 32 negative 32 6 like that 2 Okay, cool.
Okay, next one.
What? Cross the limit? What does it mean by this?
Primitive data type still is your integer or your short. Those are primitive data type.
But what does it mean by a limit?
Write a
Like,
program that check whether primitive value across the limit.
so is
So
it what is it talking about like one of these?
this gender is a character. So gender won't go over the limit. But salary a year, it may be an integer. Did you go bigger than integer that means max? That's what I want you to check.
Oh, yeah, I mean it doesn't. That's
You have to check everyone.
okay.
Okay, that's what I understand. So you write a new program, okay? Don't put it in the same program. Just write a new program, okay?
Okay.
You should save the program somewhere and then go to the next program, okay? I'll come back.
Okay.
Next one, me have Liana, your turn. Ian, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Ian, you make a mistake. This function, the right, you cannot call before you define. You must put a define before the call. Yeah, after. Okay. So smaller program put on top. So this is right here, and this function may it's okay now to call right already. Okay.
Okay.
So what do they want you to do right now here?
Use the function right to help me make a rectangle
So here
instead
your
of
my
just
function still should go here. Because your my function calling the function should be after the definition. Okay? Okay, continue. Ian, had your school started yet or no?
yeah, started.
Did they start this APCSP already or no?
Well, we're just learning like really like we're just learning basic stuff. It's just like knowing how to say hello world for now.
What language?
JavaScript.
JavaScript. Okay, okay. So this one will help you, okay? Let me know when you have question in the class, okay? Your school
Okay.
class. You still need to turn up to upright position. You're wrong. You wrong the program. You are not to the upright position, so you need to have one more right. At the end, your cursor is like this. You need to turn back to up. Yes, go. Finish. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next one, Benita, you turn. Hi, Belinda, you turn.
Okay. Mr. Cho, I don't really get this question.
This question is the same end, so
Oh, that's not hard.
one number here versus one number here, or two number here versus two number here, they are the same. Or three number here versus three number here. So for example, here is 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, then it's actually the same. Here 1, 2, here is 1, 2 is the same. 0, 0 is the same. So this one means you check this one and this one the same. No, it's not the same. This one 2, so 5, 6 versus 5, 6. Yes, that's true. And this
Okay.
one 3, no, 3 is not right. So how can you do it?
Can I create separate arrays?
No, you don't need it. What you need is
So not that
You go
well,
check this one versus this one, this one.
Oh,
So I equals 0, you check this one and this one. I equals 1, you check this one and this one. Until I less than n.
它是种嗯
Mm.
Can you check this one with this one?
Yeah,
So this one is 0. How about this one?
that one is 0 plus wait, no.
What is the index of this one?
Nums dot length minus len.
Yeah, so this one is num, let us call it n minus l, right?
Yeah.
How about this one? The next one next to it. So this one check with this one. This is
That would be
1.
1 plus n.
Yeah. Okay, so you can check already. How can you check this lens number versus this lens number at the end?
Wait, what do you mean? What's the question?
You need the question is to check the first n number versus the last n number, lens number.
I use a for loop first.
Yes, for loop, yes. Single for loop is enough. No, I would say this one only len is enough.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm. Mm.
You check this one versus this one versus this one. This is not equal. It's not. If not equal, you return false.
All right. Okay.
And then at the end, we went through. That's it. Okay, you still need to try to think deeper. Okay,
Okay.
your problem is not at this moment when you apparently your array 1 string 1 is okay, but once you go into the level 2, you start to feel the difficulty, and then so that part you need to try to battle with it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one, Benjamin, your turn. Oh, we are over time. Belinda, you can be dismissed.
Thank you, Mr. Chuck.
Bye-bye.
this word. Oops. See. Non. Funds. No.
Benjamin, we are over time, but one thing I want to tell you is that go up a little bit to your top portion. Go up. Move
Yeah.
a little bit this way. Your boy, did not put the boy in there.
Oh.
And right here, you need to
Um.
return 0 first. Before you do anything else, you need to always keep doing that. Otherwise, later when your program get too big, you are very difficult to check it, okay?
Yeah.
Align it here.
Oh.
Don't give it this way. Continue. Try to finish it up, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you continue because we are over time. I need to check Aliena. Aliena, your turn. Benjamin, you need to work on this at least 2-3 hours a day, okay?
Yeah.
Try to make sure you really master C double plus. Keep
Okay.
practicing it, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
Can you not hear me? Wait, Mr. Cho, can you not hear me?
I did not hear
Hello?
you a moment ago. Did you hear me?
Oh. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I mean, you have to practice 2-3 hours a day. Make sure you
Yeah.
master C double plus, okay? This one right now is
Okay.
your top priority, okay?
Yeah. I
Other
know.
language you can postpone, but since this is one class for you, you have to pick up and try stay much ahead of your class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can be dismissed. Good night then. Wish you
Okay.
good luck, okay? Let me know when you have
Thank you.
problems.
All right. Good night, Mr. Cho. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mhm.
So why do you have 2 jaw step? You just put your right on top because later this one must be called by other people. Yeah, now we are over time, okay? You move up a little bit in the window, top window. Okay, let me control your computer. Right now, you try to do something that's fine, but you should do this one, assume this one. Oh, wait, don't move. Yeah, right. So actually, you finish this one, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and one more step. Okay, one. Let's assume that this one is one stair. So one stair, 2 stairs, 3 stairs, and then this. And then at this point, you are here, and then you turn right to face this way. Turn right. turn right. This is right turn here. So you face this one stair, 2 stairs, 3 stair, and one more step. Turn right. 1 stair, 2 stairs, 3 stair. Is that okay? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you do 4 times. You should solve the problem, okay? So you keep working on it, okay? We are all up over time, so enjoy it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night and bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.